Real Deal is back on a beautiful Friday here in early February 2022. I'm on the Everest Edition lot, y'all. That's what I've dubbed it, the Everest Edition lot here at Akins. We have over 25 Everest Edition F-150 trucks on the lot, standing tall, looking great, ready for purchase. Nobody else in the country's got that right now, but that's a typical thing right here at Akins. Having things that most dealerships do not. Truly, woo-hoo, what do we have here? The INDORAPTOR spoiling the party one time with the lead foot. Who we got driving here? It is my mother driving the truck. Now, Mom, I guess if you had to look back on the time period, I don't guess you ever thought that you'd be on a dealership lot with me videoing $100,000 trucks, right?
Not really.
Not really. I mean, I could have been like a gastroenterologist or something where it was just a boring, not cool. I made her laugh, y'all. Make a mama crack up. Make a cookie crack up. Nana is cracking up. Anyway, let's review. Y'all, I love my mom. It's pretty cool that I got her filming here today. She's helped me actually a few times already, so much love to my mom. And she's going to show my granny this too, so hey, Granny. Granny loves watching our videos, y'all. Hey, we put the 38s on the Gen 3. You heard it. We put the 38s on the Gen 3. Mom, come on in here. We gotta start right here because real deals meaning business. Look right here. 38, 12 and a half, 17. So a lot of y'all are very happy with me right now. I know you are because you tell the Real Deal all the time to run 17s on the Raptor. So if you're a hardcore Raptor guy, hey, I come through, right? It was real tough for me not to put 22s, or I wouldn't never go 24 on a Raptor, but I wanted to do 20 or 22 with a 38. But you know, I said, I'm going to do it for you all that want to see this right here. So we got 17s on 38s. But hey, we put the 38s on the Gen 3. Nobody's done it before. It's first time evolution. 38s on the Gen 3 Raptor. What you know about that? So we have Ridge Grappler tires, the hybrid tire, looking great. We have the Black Rhino Rapid wheel in that finish that looks so money on non-paint match. Now I'm very disheartened because we didn't paint match it also, but we wanted to, man, I'm torp about that. I mean, we need to paint match it. You know, it would look really good, but it still looks great the way it sits. So let me know what you think in the comments on paint matching versus non on the lead foot. I think the lead foot needs it very badly, but it's a $100,000 vehicle, so we wanted to not throw more money towards this one. So if you purchase this and want to do INDORAPTOR paint package, I know a guy. That's all I'm saying. I know a guy that can make it happen. Okay, y'all? But we're on 38s on the Gen 3, okay? It's like I need some fireworks in the background when I edit this one, you know, because it's pretty special, y'all. 38s. How did Real Deal make it fit? Let me show you. So to make it work, 38s on the Gen 3, we did the RPG 2¼ inch perch collar level kit up front. And if you just did the perch collar level kit up front and that height, you'd be front side heavy big time. So we did the Fouts Motorsports 0.75 spacer in the rear to get us a little more height in the rear too. You can't see it, it's up top, right up under your 24-inch coil spring out back. I love the Gen 3s, y'all. The suspension rides so much better than the Gen 2. Hard for me to believe that, but it is true. So the thing about my videos, y'all, is I'm full disclosure. I tell you what we do. I don't care if you duplicate it. I want everybody across the entire nation to be rolling like we are because we feel confident and we do things the right way right here at Willies at Akins in Winder, Georgia. Hit us up. Check us out. All your social media avenues, Real Deal Neal, I'm your guy. So we're leveled on 38s on the Gen 3. Have I mentioned that yet? We're on 38s on the Gen 3. I don't think I've said it yet, Mom. I don't know. But the lead foot color, let me know what you think about lead foot in general. We got many more options to discuss. Let's go out back, Mom. We got the Retrax retractable bed cover up top. I like the Retrax. It's good and low profile and sleek. Has a great overall look to it. Again, no paint matching on the back, y'all. Just keeping it rugged, keeping it inspired. And out back, we've got an Akins liner, and we've got the undercover swing case, which is a great option. I like it. It swings back, has nice storage. Typically, me personally, I used to keep all my tools and straps up front. So the swing case gives you access to your parts right here. And also keep in mind too, a new feature on the 14th gen and 3rd gen Raptor, you got power tailgate up. How legit is that? We have a 5-year ceramic coat with paint protection film as well, because a vehicle of this magnitude needs paint protection and ceramic coat. So not skimping on any components there. Also, we have rigid rock lights under each wheel well for your nighttime visibility and just to stunt and look good. Or if you're actually going to off-road in this bad boy, you got added confidence. But the 360 camera with the rock lights at nighttime give you 360 visibility at nighttime. That is a game changer in itself. On the inside of the Gen 3, the seats are even more supportive than the Gen 2. You got B&O audio, you got music and speakers in your headrest, up above, twin pedal moonroof. The 12-inch touchscreen is the star of the show on the inside. I love how that really is so much more prominent and of substance to where you can just see better, and it just really accentuates the whole dash. The vehicle feels wider because of how the dash is laid out in the Gen 3, and you've got great amenities like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist and a great full LCD screen on your dash. Check out this substantial front end. It looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. It looks like a Georgia Bulldog. A national champion is what this truck looks like. It's so wide and strong like a Bulldog. A champion. I mean, I'm just saying, we are the champs. You know, we are the champs. What a phenomenal front end. I'm okay with not paint matching. It looks very rugged. You got the skid plate shining, looking great. So substantial and bold up front. I'm going to turn the marker lights on also. Just stay right there, Mom. So when you got the ambers going on the front end, coming down the road, you're standing a little bit taller with 38s. It has so much substance to it that it is so iconic in just its overall size and appearance. Plus, driving this bad boy with the JMS pedal max, which is that throttle lag alleviator, that's a great addition. It makes you feel like you've got more power, makes you feel like you've got a tune with no warranty voidance in that whatsoever. The EcoBoost engine, 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost, is so substantial. It's not TRX substantial, but it is an impressive engine nonetheless, y'all. I'm throwing shade at the TRX, not really because they're really the power king, but I know the R is coming. And as we get more information on the R, I will share that with you all, and hopefully we can get some supercharged Raptor action coming to you soon. The lead foot in all its glory on 38s with some great accessories from us at Willies at Akins is one that's got me fired up, y'all. So much that I'm rocking the Air Max Griffey, the kids. I got the kids on today, even got the baseball stitching, y'all. And look, on the tongue right here. What do you know about that? The kid. I mean, the sweetest swing in baseball. And I had to rock these today because we've got Jim Tomey's truck going on as well. We have 4 trucks right now getting Carly kits in our shops. We've got a lot going on. We have some Raptors, not just this one, but we have some other special Raptors. I'm not supposed to tell y'all, but we got some special Raptors coming. So that's going to be really cool too. So you got to stay tuned for everything we got going on right here at Willies at Akins, y'all. And I'm your boy for Everything Auto. So hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be staying up late a lot editing these videos because I got a lot to show you and I can't wait to show you. Appreciate y'all. Thanks so much for watching. My mom says peace out too. See y'all later.